Hi guys, I'll be answering your question while I'm making my Valentine's card for my special someone. Okay, so now I'm going to make my Valentine's Day card. Stay tuned if you want to know who I'm giving this card to. This is actually my first time making my custom card because I'm not an artsy person, but let's see. Which color should I choose? Maybe pink to give it a Valentine's vibe. My definition of a perfect date would be something that's fun, good food, definitely, and good conversation with that special someone. The most romantic thing. Okay, so we're both not a romantic person or couple, so I think my idea of romantic might be different. So I would say like a good day at home with our dogs, watching a good movie. It's a perfect romantic night. Oh, easy, Vienna. It's such a beautiful place, and we've been there. We love the ambiance. The food is great. The people are so nice as well. I would love to come back. It's Valentine's Day. Cheesy, I know. No, but the thing is because I don't remember when did we start our relationship. So just to make it easy and safe, just in case anybody forgot, we just agreed that it's Valentine's Day. See, we're so practical. Okay, yes, and yes. Yes, I am. I think I'm jealous in a healthy way. Have I been jealous? Of course, especially if it's that time of the month, you know. But yeah, all in all, I'm pretty reasonable. But if you cross me, you're going to see a different person coming at you. My tips will be, I know this is cliche, but just be yourself. Try not to eat garlic. That's a great tip. And just be comfortable, you know. Go to a place or set up a place that you're used to, comfortable, so you don't have that much pressure. And have fun. That's very important. Okay, so that's a very interesting question. 90% of the time, I get ready first every time we go out. So if you see that we sort of match, it's because he copied my style. That's it. That's the only explanation. Okay, I met my boyfriend during my second or third year of uni. That's the first time I met him, but we're not together at that time. So probably I'm around 18 or 19. Yeah, and then we met each other again from our mutual friend. I think we met each other again then 4 years ago. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So I think it all depends on what you're comfortable with. Nggak ada yang bisa bilang apa one is good and one is bad. I think it just depends on what your choice is, and you stick to it, you commit 100% and do your best. And sometimes you can even do both. Why do you have to choose if you can do it both, right? Okay, so if you're watching, hello, don't give me another dog. That's for sure. For this Valentine, I mean, what do I want? I'm not really into like gifts, but take me away somewhere. I need a trip. I need a holiday. That's it. That's my gift. Me. I think me. I mean, sometimes he did give inputs on what should I wear, and I think it's fun to talk about fashion and to know what guys think about girls' fashion. Okay, so if we're traveling, most of it is Richard or stranger or my sister. But now I got my cousin here in Jakarta. She likes to take picture for me as well, so that's a plus. I think, yeah, mostly Richard, my family, or stranger. Well, honestly though, it's oh, that's a hard question. Honestly though, he got the moves, I guess. But in terms of tempo and pitch, that's kind of all over the place. But in lieu of Valentine's Day, I'll give him a 7.
Okay.
Yeah. He got the moves. He got the moves, and he got a good selection of songs. So I give him that. But yeah, pitch control. This is a sad card, by the way. It's a sad card. I don't think anybody want to date me after this card. Look at that. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, I've heard this from someone. If all else fails, just put a bunch of stickers. Okay, that's your life hack. Just put a bunch of stickers and make it intentional. Make it like happy. Make it festive. That's how you make a Valentine's Day card. You know? Ta-da! Ah. So thank you so much for watching me making my Valentine's Day card, although failed. But and thank you for those of you who sent your questions. It's very interesting. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and keep on watching Macrame. Bye!